So yeah, it needed really long to boot up. I'll make 2 parts of this video. Sorry for my shaked hands. Come on, dude. I mean, I'll wait. I'll make an. Oh, wait. No. Actually, we will stay in this video. So, client MAC address. Hi, come on, dude. We need to get this thing going. Just press. Continue pressing this F10, F12 or F11 or F2 until it pops out the BIOS section. Then I will show you a bloody boot order. Yeah, we heard you for fuck's sake. So yeah, as you can see, he did a boot order all by himself. Yeah, so Windows is getting on. I will get you Windows in another video.